This everyday object spirals outward with mesmerizing precision. The corkscrew's unique spiral pattern has been fascinating humans for centuries. From wine bottles to screws, this design is ubiquitous in our daily lives. But have you ever stopped to think about the science behind its twisted shape? The corkscrew's spiral pattern is a perfect example of a mathematical concept called the golden ratio. This ancient principle governs the arrangement of leaves on stems, branches on trees, and even the structure of DNA. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of information. That's roughly the information density of the golden ratio. The golden ratio is an irrational number, approximately equal to 161,803,398,875, which means it can't be expressed as a simple fraction. This property makes the golden ratio incredibly stable and versatile, appearing in everything from the proportions of the Parthenon to the shape of seashells. But that's not the strangest part. The golden ratio is also connected to the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. The Fibonacci sequence appears in the branching of trees, the flowering of artichokes, and even the structure of galaxies. As we delve deeper into the world of mathematical patterns, spiral that is both, we find that the aesthetically corkscrews pleasing and spiral is just the tip of the functionally efficient iceberg. So, what happens when we apply the golden ratio to the corkscrew's design? Spiral that is both, we find that the aesthetically corkscrews pleasing and spiral is just the tip of the functionally. What happens when we apply the golden ratio to the corkscrew's design? But wait, until you hear what comes next. The corkscrew's spiral pattern is also connected to the fundamental laws of physics. According to the second law of thermodynamics, the universe tends towards disorder and randomness. However, the corkscrew's spiral pattern defies this trend, creating a sense of order and symmetry in an otherwise chaotic world. This phenomenon occurs when the golden ratio is applied to a system, creating a self-sustaining feedback loop that amplifies the pattern. And then something unexpected happens. Scientists discovered that the corkscrew's spiral pattern is also connected to the human brain's processing of information. Research has shown that the golden ratio is a key component in the neural networks that govern our perception of beauty and symmetry. This means that the corkscrew's spiral pattern is not just a design feature, but a reflection of the underlying structure of our own minds. Breathing entities that shape our world. What does that mean for our understanding of consciousness and intelligence?
The corkscrew's spiral pattern is a reminder that mathematical patterns are not just abstract concepts, but living, breathing entities that shape our world.
So, the next time you reach for a corkscrew, remember the intricate web of mathematical patterns that underlies its design. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the intersection of math and reality. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the corkscrew's spiral pattern. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.